everyone, my name is Mega Adelia Dwi Rahma, kelas manajemen 23B, NPM 2341104. Sampling methods and sampling distribution. Sampling is the process of selecting a subset of elements from a population to represent the entire population. Sampling methods and sampling distribution help researchers understand population characteristics without examining every element. Sampling methods are divided into two main categories: probability sampling and non-probability sampling. 1. Probability sampling. These methods gives every element in the population an unequal chance of being selected. Examples include simple random sampling. Each element has a equal probability of being chosen. Example, randomly selecting of students from a class list. Stratified sampling. The population is divided into start group, and samples are randomly selected from each stratum. Example, sampling students based on their grade level. Q-sampling. The population is divided into clusters, and some clusters are randomly selected for analysis. Example, selecting specific school for a student survey. Systematic sampling. Samples are chosen at regular intervals from the population list. Example, choosing every 5 tahun student from a class roster. 2. Non-probability sampling. This method does not provide equal chances for all elements to be selected. Examples include convention sampling. Samples are taken based on accessibility or ease of collection. Example, distributing questionnaires to close friends. Judgmental sampling. Samples are selected based on the researcher's subjective judgment. Example, coaching students perceived as the top performers. Quota sampling. Samples are selected to meet specific quotas in group. Example, selecting 50 male and 50 female students. Snowball sampling. Initial participant recommend others to join the study. Example, survey in closed network communities. Sampling distribution. Sampling distribution is a statistical distribution derived from repeated sampling of a population. KTPs include 1. Sampling distribution of the sample mean represent the distribution of sampling mean drawn from a population. Central limit theorem. If the sample size is large enough, the sampling distribution of the mean will approach a normal distribution, regardless of the population distribution. 2. Sampling distribution of the sample proportion represent the distribution of proportion for a particular attribute in samples. Example, the percentage of students passing an exam from school samples. 3. Sampling distribution of the sample variance represent the distribution of variances calculated from samples. Variance measures data distribution dispersion within the sample. For sampling distribution of the statistic, These distributions are used for hypothesis testing, such as z-t-c squared and F distribution. Example, testing the population mean using the t distribution. Application of sampling is research, business, consumer survey to understand market preferences, healthcare, clinical trial to assess drug effectiveness, education, evaluating student performance from selected school, environment, observing water quality in river samples. Sampling is a vital method for efficiently analyzing data. Even in larger populations, selecting the appropriate sampling method is essential for ensuring accurate and representative result.